Hello everyone, welcome to the crochet tutorial, the new part for rounds 11 and 12 for blanket lotus. Here is the sample, and these two new rounds 11 and 12 are made of this nice blue color. We will be making nice shells. Okay, let's start our work. Round 11, color A. This is an easy round. We will be making just one element to every stitch of round 10. But this is a bit tricky stitch. Let me show you how you can find it. It is so-called third back loop single crochet. Let's take a look at the stitches of round 10. Here are the tops. Every top consists of 2 halves. And if we will go behind on the wrong side and immediately after the loops of the top and move our hook, we will immediately find one more loop. This is so-called third back loop of the stitch. Actually, you can see this is the whole line of them. Okay, let's take for example this stitch. This is the top, and going on the wrong side, little bit under, here is the third back loop. So, in this loop we are making single crochet, and then third back loop single crochet to every stitch of round 10. Here is the next one. Here is the next third back loop, single crochet. The next one, single crochet. The next third back loop, single crochet. The next one. Okay, here we have a couple of them. As you can see, it gives a nice texture and a nice chains from the right side. And on the wrong side, it also looks nice. I'm pretty sure you can continue this work all by yourself, and see you at the end of the round. Here we are. Our round 11 is nearly done. I just would like to show you how it looks like. A very nice texture and a very beautiful decorative effect. And on the wrong side, it looks pretty nice as well. Okay, so in every stitch of round 10 we were making third back loop single crochet, and after we made the last one, a slip stitch in the standing third back loop single crochet. Sorry, the end. I want to move it over there. Okay, a slip stitch in the standing third back loop single crochet. Our round is ready. We do not cut the yarn because the next round is made of the same color A. Round 12, color A, same color. Chain 1, which doesn't count as a stitch, single crochet in the same stitch. Ready. Single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then we skip next 3 stitches 1, 2, 3, and in the next one, the fourth one, we are making 11 triple crochets. Okay, skipping 1, 2, 3, and in the next one, in the fourth one, we are making the first triple crochet and 10 more. In total, 11 triple crochets. The second one, the third one, the fourth one. So we are making a nice shell. Okay, I have here 11 triple crochets ready. Then we skip 3 stitches. Be very careful with the first one because it is little bit hidden. So we skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next one we are making a single crochet. Oops, sorry. Yeah, nice. Okay, once again skipping 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. In the next one, single crochet and single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 in total, and our first repetition is done. Let's do one more. So 3 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. We skip next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next one, the fourth one, we start making 11 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3. I will stop here. Just will repeat once again that before every shell of 11 triple crochets we skip 3 stitches before and after, and between the shells we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 single crochets. I'm pretty sure you will be able to move forward all by yourself, and see you at the end of the round. Okay, we are nearly done. We should have 8 shells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shells of 11 triple crochets and groups of 7 single crochets between them. We are making slip stitch in the first single crochet of the round, and our group should have 7 single crochets in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ready. In next video we will be making together rounds 13 and 14. Happy stitches everyone, and I wish you creating beautiful blankets.